Hello friends, welcome to Logic Circuit. My name is Prashant. In last lecture we have already seen what is linear equation, in two variables. In this lecture we are going to study how to solve that linear equation. So in this lecture we are going to start with how to solve linear equations in two variables by elimination method. So in elimination method we either eliminate x to get value of y or we eliminate y to get value of x. So let's start with an example. So here we have example, we will try to solve it by using elimination method. So we will call first equation as equation number 1 and the second equation as equation number 2. So here coefficient of b is 5 and in second equation also coefficient of b is 5. So if we will subtract one equation from another, then we will get value of a by eliminating b. So by subtracting equation 2 from 1. So what is equation 1? That is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 minus a plus 5b is equal to 22. If coefficients are same and signs are also same, then subtraction will take place. If coefficients are same but signs are opposite, then addition will take place. Now here we are subtracting equation 2 from 1. So after subtraction, a will become negative, 5 will become negative and 22 also will become negative. So 5b will get subtracted from 5b. 3a minus a will become 2a is equal to 26 minus 22 will become 4. Now by dividing both sides by 2, we will get value of a. So by dividing both sides by 2, we will get 2a is equal to 4. We divide both sides by 2. So 2 will get cancelled with 2 and 2 2s are 4. Therefore value of a will become 2. Now we will substitute this value of a in either equation 1 or equation 2, then we will get value for b also. Now we will substitute this value of a in equation number 2. So by substituting value of a in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Is a plus 5b is equal to 22. But now we know that value of a is 2, so we will substitute that value of a in equation 2 and we will get this equation as 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. This 2 is plus, if we will subtract 2 from both sides, then we will get 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. This 2 minus 2 will get 0 and we will get value of 5b is 20. Now after dividing both sides by 5, we will get b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 4s are 20, therefore value of b is equal to 4. Therefore solution for the given equation is a comma b is equal to value of a is 2 and b is 4. So this will become 2 comma 4. Now we will solve one more example by elimination method. In this example, again we will call first equation as equation number 1. Another equation, we will call this as equation number 2. So, if we will multiply first equation by 3, here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 3. If we multiply first equation by 3, so this will become 3x, and again we can subtract them. But we cannot multiply to a single term, we have to multiply to whole equation. So, multiply equation 1 by 3. So this equation will become 3 into x plus 7y is equal to 10. Here 3 will multiply to each and every term of the equation. So here 3 into x will become 3x plus 3 into 7 will become 21y is equal to 3 into 10. This will become 30. So we will call this as equation number 3. Now we have modified first equation and we have got third equation. So operation will take place in second and third equation. So here coefficients are same and signs are same, both are positive. So subtraction will take place. So we will write that now subtract equation 2 from 3. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. And now we are going to subtract second equation. Second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. As we are subtracting this equation, so because of this negative sign, this plus positive 3x will become negative, positive 2y will become positive, and positive 7 will become negative. So 3x minus 3x will be 0. Here 21y plus 2y, this will become 23y is equal to 30 minus 7, this will become 23. Now here, if we will divide both sides by 23, we will get value of y. So here, value of y will be 23 upon 23. In another language, we can say that this 23 is multiplying to left hand side. So obviously it is going to divide on another side of equal to sign. So in both cases we are going to get the same result. So here y, value of y will be 1. Now we will substitute this value in any one of the equation and we will get value of x. So here first equation is very simple equation. So we will substitute this value in equation number 1. So we will write that now substituting value of y in equation 1. So what is equation 1? First equation is x plus 7y is equal to 10. Now here equation is x plus 7y is equal to 10. But now here we know that value of y is 1, so we will substitute this value of y and the equation will become x is equal to 10. Again we will subtract 7 from both sides, or in another language we can say this positive 7 will become negative 7 on another side of equal to sign. So therefore value of x, this 10 minus 7 will become 3. So here are the value of x and y. Therefore x comma y is equal to value of x comma value of y, that is 3 comma 1 is solution. That's it. We'll solve one more example by elimination method. Here again we'll call first equation as equation number 1. So if we will multiply to this equation by 3, so this denominator will get cancelled. So again multiplying equation 1 by 3, we will get that 1 by 3 of x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. As we are going to multiply this equation by 3, so 3 is going to multiply each and every term of the equation. So here 3 upon 3 will become 1 x plus 3 times of y, that is 3y, is equal to 10 by 3 into 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here we will get 10. We will call this equation as equation number 3. Now we will call this equation as equation number 2. So here 2x plus 1 upon 4 y is equal to 11 upon 4. We will call this equation as equation number 2. Now here if we will multiply to second equation by 4, so this denominator will get cancelled. So by multiplying equation 2 by 4, here we will get new equation as 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 1 upon 4, sorry 11 upon 4, 4 times. So again 4 will multiply to each and every term, and here we will get 4 times 2x, that is 8x, plus 4 into 1 will become 4, that is 4 upon 4y, that is 1y, is equal to 11 upon 4. This 4 will get cancelled with another 4, so product will be 11. So here we have got the fourth equation. Now operation will take place between third and fourth equation. Here we have x and here we have 8x. So either we can multiply to first equation by 8, so here this term will become 8x and we will subtract them, or we can multiply to fourth equation by 3 and this term will become 3y and it will be get subtracted from 3y. So now we will multiply to third equation. In both ways we are going to get the same answer. Now we are going to multiply to the third equation by 8. So multiplying equation 3 by 8, what we will get here? Equation 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10 into 8. So this will become 8 times x plus 3 8s are 24y and 8 10s are 80. Now we will call this equation as equation number 5. As we have converted this equation, as we have got this equation from equation number 3, so operation will take place between equation number 5 and equation number 4. So here in both equations we have the first term as 8x and both are positive, so subtraction will take place. So by subtracting equation 4 from 5, so here equation number 5 is 8x plus 24y is equal to 80 minus equation number 4 is 8x plus y is equal to 11. So because of this subtraction, this positive 8x will become negative, positive y will become negative, and 11 will also become negative. So here 8x minus 8x will be 0. 24y minus y will become 23y is equal to 80 minus 11. This will become 69. So here, if we will divide both sides by 23, we will get new equation or value of y. Or in another way, we can say that this 23 is multiplying to left hand side. What will happen to another side of equal to sign? It is going to divide it. So here we will get y is equal to 69 upon 23. So 23, 3s are 69. Therefore value of y is 3. Now by substituting this value of y in any of the equation, we will get value of x. So we will substitute this value in equation number 3. So by substituting value of y in equation 3. What is equation number 3? That is x plus 3y is equal to 10. But we know that value of y is 3. So we will write this as x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now we will substitute value of y, that is 3. So this equation will become x plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. We will subtract 9 from both sides, or we can say this positive 9 will become negative 9 on another side of equal to sign. Therefore value of x will be 10 minus 9, that is 1. Therefore solution for the equation is x comma y, that is y comma 3. Therefore x comma y is equal to value of x comma value of y, that is 1 comma 3 is the solution. We will solve one more example by elimination method. Here coefficients of x and y are interchanged. In this type, first we will add them and we will get equation number 3. Again we will subtract them and we will get equation number 4. Those equation number 3 and 4 will be in reduced form, and operation will take place in equation number 3 and 4. So solution, first we will call first equation as equation number 1. And this another equation we will call this as equation number 2. So now first we will add them. So first equation is 99x plus 101y is equal to 490 plus next equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So after addition, 99 plus 101, this will become 200x plus addition of this will become 200y is equal to 501 plus 499, this will become 1000. Now if we will take 200 common, then we will get 200 in bracket x plus y is equal to 1000. Now if we divide both sides by 200, we will get here x plus y is equal to 200 5s are 1000. So now we will call this as equation number 3. Now I will subtract these equations. So subtract equation 1 from 2. Here second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501 minus 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Now because of this subtraction, this positive 99x will become negative, positive 101y will become negative, and this constant term will also become negative. So 101 minus 99x, here difference is 2x, and greater number sign here 101 is greater number which is positive, so this will carry a positive sign. Here difference between 99 and 101 is again 2 times y, and here greater number sign, here greater number is 101 which carries negative sign, that's why this will also get negative sign. Here difference between 101 and 501 and 499 is 2. Again if we will take 2 common, what we will get here, that is 2 times x minus y is equal to 2. Now this 2 is multiplying left hand side. What will happen on other side of equal to sign? It is going to divide, or in another way we can say by dividing both sides by 2. Here we will get new equation, that is x minus y is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. We will call this equation as equation number 4. Here equation 3rd and 4 are in reduced form. Now operation will take place between 3 and 4 to get value of x and y. So here y is negative and here y is positive, and in both equations coefficient of y is 1. So here we will add them. Now add equation 3 and 4. What is equation 3? That is x plus y is equal to 5, plus what is equation 4? That is x minus y is equal to 1. So x plus x will become 2x. This y will get cancelled with y, that is y minus y will be 0, and 5 plus 1 will become 6. Here if we will divide both sides by 2, we will get 2 will get cancelled with 2, and 6 upon 2, that is 3. Therefore value of x will be 3. Now we will substitute this value of x in any of the equation and we will get the value of y. So we will substitute this x in equation number 3. So by substituting value of y value of x, in equation 3. What is equation 3? That is x plus y is equal to 5. So this equation will become x plus y is equal to 5. Now we know that value of x is 3, so we will substitute it, and here we will get value of y, that is this positive 3 will become negative 3 on another side of equal to sign, and y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Therefore value of y is 2. Therefore x comma y, that is value of x comma value of y. Here x is 3 and y is 2, so this will become 3 comma 2 is the solution for the given equation.